Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update in the ongoing saga of, yes, I swear I am still working on the Miami Vice Ferrari Daytona Spider. Although progress has been slow, I have actually gotten some more done on it. And starting out, take a look at the door panels, which I've based these off a picture of an actual Ferrari 365 Daytona Spider. And it had a nice tan and black interior that I thought was a pretty good mimic for the Corvette's colors in the show. It's not an exact match to the kit car, obviously, but I thought it had the right feel. I need to do some touch-up here in this bottom corner, and then I need to paint the hardware and give it a semi-gloss finish so that it looks like leather and vinyl. But that's the color scheme that I'm going with for the interior. And with that, it's going to have black carpeting, which you can see I did here with some Krylon Make It Suede. Because before, all these floors, this area back here, that was all just smooth, featureless plastic. So I added the texture and then painted it. And it's got a couple of rough spots right here and here, but those are going to be under the seat, so I'm not worried about those. The rest of it, though, where you will be able to see, I'm pretty happy with how that came out. This stuff also makes good rhino liner. Unfortunately, they don't seem to make it anymore, so I'm going to have to find a replacement for it. And then the last bit of an update is the chassis, which, since the last video, I've got the exhaust headers installed and weathered. Got some rust on there with some burn defect right up near the heads. I've got all of the ignition wires in place this time. And I've also finished off the front suspension with the springs in there. And I've got the brakes and the wheels on. And you can see in there, they actually give you vented disc rotors. And just a really nicely detailed kit all the way around. And it does use Fujimi's spoked wheels, which I've used as aftermarket components on previous builds. I've always liked these, and that has not changed. I think these are just about the nicest plastic spoked wheels that I've come across. And, you see, got the gold calipers there on the back. The rear discs are the same setup. And so that's it. Like I said, just a real quick update, but I am still making progress on it. I'm hoping to get the interior bits finished in the next few days. And once those are done, I'll be able to put that main section right here on permanently and finish up the front here with the belts and hoses and radiator. I have been delaying on the body because we've been having really high humidity around here lately, and I'm not going to risk a gloss black paint job in high humidity, so I'm hoping to catch a break in the weather. As soon as I do, as soon as the forecast looks like it's going to be good for a few days in a row, I'm going to do the painting then. So, aside from that, progress is continuing, and I will hopefully have another update to this next week. So check back then, and thanks for watching.